Good morning students, welcome back to the mathematics online classes of class 2 from Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will study about unit 10 time. Okay, let's start. Let's recall, in previous classes you have done this work. I wake up at. So students, look here, the small hand is on 5 and the long hand is on 12. When the long hand is on 12, then the time is o'clock. So I wake up at 5 o'clock. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Okay, look here, the short hand is at 8 and the long hand is at 12. I come back from school. Yes, at 2 o'clock. Look here, short hand is at 2 and the long hand is at 12. Come to the next. I play at, look here, short hand is at 5 and the long hand is at 12. 5 o'clock. I study at 6 o'clock. I sleep at 9 o'clock. Look here, you have to write here 9 beta. 9 o'clock. I have by mistake written here 7. You have to write here 9. Fill in the blanks. There are dash days in a week. So how many days in a week? There are 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, there are 7 days in a week. Tuesday comes after Monday. Tuesday comes after Monday. After Monday, Tuesday is coming. Thursday comes between Wednesday and Friday. Between Wednesday and Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So Thursday comes between Wednesday and Friday. School remains closed on. Okay, school remains closed on Sunday. School remains closed on Sunday. We have to say Sunday is a holiday. Come to the next. Clock. Look here students, a clock tells us time. Time is measured in hours and minutes. The face of the clock is called dial. So students, look here, that is called a dial. The short hand is called hour hand and the long hand is called minute hand. This hand tells us hours and this hand tells us minutes. The numbers from 1 to 12 are marked on the face of the clock. Look here, you have to show from number 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That are the marked on the dial. 9 is opposites of 3 and 12 is opposites of 6. Okay. The shorter hand is the hour hand and the longer hand is the minute hand. The hour hand takes 1 hour to go from the number 1 to the next. When hour hand is change their place, and it takes 1 hour. From 1 to 2, 2 to 3, that takes 1 hour. And the minute hand moves faster. Okay, minute hand moves faster than the hour hand. It takes 5 minutes to go the one number. So when the minute hand comes to 1 to 2, so it takes 5 minutes, and complete round it takes 1 hour, means 60 minutes. Reading a clock. How to read a clock? Look here, the minute hand is at 12. Okay, when the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 4, so the time is 4 o'clock. We read it as 4 o'clock, or we write it as 40000. The hour hand means the shorter hand. Tell us the time when the minute hand means longer hand is at 12. Half past hour when the minute hand is at 12 and the shorter hand is at that number, that time is, look here, that is 4 o'clock. Suppose the shorter hand is at 6 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time will be 6 o'clock. Half past the hour. What will happen if the minute hand is at 12? We have to read out when the minute hand is at 12. Suppose the minute hand is at 6. So the time is half an hour. Look here, when the minute hand is at halfway, 6 is the half of 12. Around the clock at 6, then the time is half past. We have to say half past or 30 minutes past. Look here, the shorter hand is at 8 and between the 8 and the 9. So the time is half past 8 or 8:30. The hour hand is between 2 and 3. So the minute hand is at halfway, means at 6. So the time is half past 2 or 2:30. Okay? Clear, beta? Come to the next. We write here 8:30 or half past an hour means 30 minutes. When the minute hand is at 6, the time is in half hours. Write the time shown by the clocks in two ways. Look here, the longer hand is at 6, so you have to keep in mind it is half past, and the shorter hand is in between 4 and 5, so that half past 4 or 4:30. Look here, the minute hand it has 3. 3 means quarter past. 3 is a quarter of 4. Quarter past 5 means 15 minutes past 5. 1 is equal to 5 ones are 5. 2 is equal to 5 twos are 10 minutes. 3 is equal to 5 threes are 15 minutes. 5:15. Come to the next. The minute hand is at 6, so the time will be in half past. Half past 7 or 7:30. Look here, it has the longer hand is at 6. Half past 11. 11:30. Draw hands to show the time. So you have to draw hands, beta. Half past 10 or 10:30. When we have given the half past, so the longer hand is at 6, halfway. So in half past, the common thing is the minute hand or the longer hand is at 6. In each cases we have to draw the longer hand is at 6. So 10:30, so our hand is between 10 or 11. 8:30, so the shorter hand means our hand is between 8 and 9. 1:30, so the minute hand, our hand is in between 1 and 2, mid of the 1 and 2. 9:30, so the our hand is in between 9 and 10. Clear, beta? So come to the quarter past. Quarter means 15 minutes past. Look at the clock here. The minute hand is at 3. When the minute hand is at 3, so the time will be in quarter past. So look here, the minute hand is at 3 and that means the 15 minutes have passed after 5 o'clock. So the time will be 5:15 or quarter past 5. Come to the next, try this. Write the time shown in two ways. Means look here, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is 8, near the 8. So 8:15 means 15 minutes past 8 or quarter past 8. So same here, the minute hand is at 3 and it is neared by the 1. So 15 minutes past 1, quarter past 1 or 1:15. Come to the next 11:15. Okay, 15 minutes past 11. Look here, 6:15. 15 minutes past 6 or quarter past 6. Draw the hands to show the time. Quarter past, quarter past, quarter past, quarter past. The common thing is all the clocks is shown in quarter past. When we have given the quarter past, so the minute hand means the longer hand is at 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. The longer hand is at 3. When quarter past has given, so the longer hand is at 3. 3 5s are 15. Each number shown 5 minutes. Okay, and 9. So it is nearby the 9. It is nearby the 4 and the longer hand is at 3. Longer hand is at 3 and nearby the 12. Longer hand is at 3 and the shorter hand is nearby 7. Okay. Now start 2 hours, finish. So start at 11 o'clock. When the, look here beta, when the longer hand is at 12, so the time is o'clock. So 11 o'clock and start 2 hours, finish. Okay, start at 11 and 2 hours. The 1 hour is of 12 and the second hour is of 1. So 11, after 1 hour 12, after that 1 hour 1. So the time will be 1 o'clock. When 1 o'clock is given, so the shorter hand is at 1 and the longer hand is at 12. Start 1 hour, finish. Start at 7 o'clock beta. The shorter hand at is 7. So, and the longer hand is at 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. After 1 hour, when the hour hand is, the minute hand is complete its round, so the hour hand is changed to the 8. So 8 o'clock. The shorter hand is at 8 and the longer hand is at 12. Come to the next. Days of week. So in the previous module we have to learn about the time. We have to read about the 3 times. One is o'clock, when the hour hand is at any number but the minute hand is at 12, so the time it will be in o'clock. When the hour hand is between the 2 numbers and the longer hand is at 6, means halfway, so the time will be in half past or 30 minutes past. And the third is when the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand is nearby the any number, so the time is quarter past or 15 minutes past. Okay, now come to the days of week. There are 7 days of week from Monday to Sunday. The first day of the day is Monday and the last day is Sunday. So look here, this is the flow chart of days of week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday is the first day of the week and the Sunday is the last day of the week. So come, let's do the exercise based on the days of week beta. The third day of the week. First day is Monday, second day Tuesday and the third day is Wednesday. Last day of the week. Very good. Sunday is the last day of the week. You go to the library. This is a depend on your school timetable. According to your school timetable, the library period is on Wednesday. The dance class is on Friday and dash comes before Friday. So before Friday, Thursday comes before Friday. Let's study about months of a year. Okay, how many months of the year? Very good. There are 12 months in a year. First is January, second February, third March, fourth April, fifth May, sixth June, seventh July, eighth August, ninth September, 10th October, 11th November, 12th and last month of the year is December. Okay, there are 12 months in a year. There is a flow chart. The first month is January and the last month is December. 7 months having 30 days. You have to count the days with the help of your chunks. Okay, these are your chunks. The upper part of the chunk is at 31 days and the lower is 30 days except February, because February has 28 or 29 days. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The upper part shows the 31 days. So there are 7 months with 31 days, 4 months with 30 days and only 1 month Feb has 28 or 29 days. Okay students, in a leap year February has 29 days, because in an ordinary year the common year has 365 days, but in a leap year there are 366 days. Okay, leap year comes after 4 years. There are an easy way to remember the number of the days. We have already done this activity with the help of our chunks. Months with 31 days, you have to learn it. Months with 30 days. Let's do the exercise. Fill in the blanks. March comes before February. Last month of the year is December. 6th month of the year is June. Dash comes after September. After September, October. So October comes after September. Number of days in August. So you have to check January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. So there are 31 days. You have to find with the help of your chunks. In a year there are 365 days. In a leap year February has 29 days. December comes between November and January. Let's do 10 decimal 2. 1 week has 7 days. Dash comes between Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday. You have to learn the spelling of the days of week and the month of the years. Dash is the last month of the year, December. The shortest month of the year is February, because February has the smallest number of days in a year. May comes after April. January comes between December and February. A leap year has 366 days. Match it with the 31 days and the 30 days, or less than 30. So there are only 1 month February that is having 30, less than the 30 days, that is February, and 31 days August, December, May and January. June and April having 30 days, March and October having 31 days, November and September having 30 days, July is having 31 days beta. So match it correctly with the help of this video. The longer hand of the clock, is called minute hand. The hour hand is a clock moves slower than the minute hand. When the time is in full hours, so the minute hand is at 12. When the minute hand is at 6, then the time is in half past or half hours. The half hour hand takes 1 hour to go round the clock. The day, 2 days after Saturday. So 2 days after Saturday beta, Monday and Sunday, Monday, then Tuesday. So the 2 days after Saturday is Tuesday. The shortest month is Feb. 9th month of the year is September. In a leap year there are 366 days. Tick the correct option. Dash comes between Wednesday and Friday. So after Wednesday, Thursday comes. You have to tick here the Thursday. Minute hand moves around the clock in 1 hour. It completes one round in 1 hour. August has 31 days. Dash days are there in a leap year. 366 days. Dash comes between June and August. So June, July, August. So you have to tick mark on July. Match the following. That is called 4:15. That is called 3 o'clock. That is clock 6:30. That is 11 o'clock. That is 9:30. Draw the hands of the clock to show the given time. So that is, look here, 7:30. When the 30 is given, so the longer hand is at 6 and the shorter hand in between mid of the 7 and 8. Quarter past, when we have given the quarter, so the longer hand is at 3 and the shorter hand is nearby the 11. 9:30, when half past has given, so the longer hand is at 6 and the shorter hand is in between 9 and 10. Which is the second month of the year? The first month is January and the second month is February. Which month comes after April? After April, May. Which is the last month of the year? That is December. Which month comes before November, beta? Before November, October. How many months have less than 30 days? So less than 30 days, there is one month that is having less than 30 days. 1 year is having 12 months. 1 month 30 or 31 days. February is the shortest month of the year. September comes before October. A leap year has 366 days. The hour hand takes 12 hours to take a complete of the clock. The short hand of the clock tells us the hour. If the time is in half an hour, the minute hand is at 6. So students, you have to read this chapter carefully and complete the exercise of this chapter with the help of the video. Learn the days of the week and the month of the year and learn the spelling and do practice. Okay students, let's see you next video. Okay, bye bye.